Hey everyone, so I had a past experience with my Echo Show where it stopped working properly. 1 minute there's no sound, another minute the mic wasn't responding. And out of all the Echo devices I've got, whether it was the regular Echo or the Echo Show or the Echo Show 5, this is the first time I ever had one that was acting this way. But I'm going to tell you about my experience I had with the customer service that helped resolve the issue, and now it's working fine. So when I first started having the issue, what I try to do is to power down the device, power it back up. I did it a couple times to see if that would resolve the issue. It didn't really do anything because, like I said, 1 minute the microphones are not responding. So I was yelling out her name on top of my lungs and she still wouldn't respond. And then the sound would go out every once in a while, so I would ask to play music or tell me something that I need to know. And you can see the screen with the little blue bar at the bottom, but there was no sound coming out of the speaker. So right then and there, I feel like I had a dud. So since I just got it, because I really got it on Prime Day, but I know it was still under warranty because, you know, these devices come with a 1-year warranty. And the way it was acting, I figure I just call them and have it replaced before it get too far. So on your Echo device now, there is an easy way to get to customer service. As a matter of fact, you can have them call you through the Echo device. So to get to the customer service, it's very easy to do it, especially if you got an Echo Show. So if you have a regular Echo device, first thing you want to do is go to the app. Then once you open the app, you want to go to the little question mark in the top right corner, which is going to bring you to the help and feedback screen. And then you want to stroll down to where you see call customer service. Now you want to choose the device that's giving you issue. So let me stroll down and say I'm having problem with my input. Then after I choose the device, now I want to choose the category of the issue I'm having. So I want to select a category. And then I want to go down to, let's say, device and hardware. And now I need to select the issue. So the issue I'm having, let's see, device is not responding. Let's choose that one. Now I need to choose the country that I'm calling from, put in my phone number, and then I can schedule that call. I can say in 5 minutes or call me right now. So I'm gonna leave it on now. I can punch in my phone number. And then the only thing else I have to do at this point right now is to hit call me. My phone is going to start ringing. And then somebody's going to come on the phone and try to help you resolve the issue or try to get the device repaired. Now this service, as far as I know, is 24/7 because I've called them about 11:30 at night and they were able to solve that issue and got my device working again. So that's how you do it through the app. Now if you want to do it through the Echo Show or the Echo Show 5, let me walk you through the procedure of how to get that done. But you will still need your phone nearby because they're going to call that cell phone or your home phone. They're not going to call you through the Echo Show 5. But who knows, maybe that's a feature Amazon probably add down the road. So now let's move over to the Echo Show screen. Okay, from your Echo device or Echo Show 5, you want to swipe down and go into settings. Then you want to stroll down till you see it says help. In the help section, you want to look for contact us. And on this screen, you can pretty much choose anything. It doesn't matter because you're going to want them to call you either way anyway. So let's say smart home. Once you get to this screen, you just want to choose other issues. Then this is one that's going to give you the option to call me. So if you say here, call me, you want to put in your phone number and then say call me now. Now if you're an international customer, you'd have to call this number right here, but as long as you're in the US, you can just enter your number and hit the call me now button and somebody will instantly call you and try to resolve the issue that you're having. But if you want to go through the process of trying to solve the issue yourself, there's a help section here that will help you out. But if you can't resolve the issue yourself, even following these steps that they have in the help section, then go to the contact us, punch in your phone number and let them help you resolve the issue. They're there for you 24/7 to help you with your issues. This is the Echo Show, but the same screen is available on the Echo Show 5. So help, contact us, phone number, done deal. So that's how easy it is to contact customer service through the app or through your Echo Show 5. And I was able to do that about, like I say, 11:30 at night. So I'm pretty sure it's a 24-hour service, but my issue was resolved and they're going to do a follow-up call with me because they told me they want to do a follow-up call to make sure the issue don't come back. So it's like a 2 weeks time frame I set up, but you can set up that time frame how you want it. So if you want them to call you back in 3 days or a week or maybe 20 days from now, they're going to put that on file and then give you a call back just to make sure everything is still working fine. And as long as it's still under warranty, if it's something they need to repair, they're going to repair it for you. If it's something that's probably not under warranty, the only thing they can probably do for you is just troubleshoot it and try to resolve the issue. But the help is there if you need it. All right? Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.